Yo, chat, what's up, guys? What's up, everybody? Hopefully, everybody's having a good day. Good morning so far, man. We are about to kick it, chat. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. How we doing? How we doing, zombie? How we doing? How we doing? Let me pull this up because we have another account giveaway. Arguably better than the last, but hey, man. I mean, we're doing giveaways with quality firms. Like, I'm excited. It's awesome. Run the likes up immediately. Let's get 25 likes in like the first couple minutes because we got an awesome giveaway today. An awesome giveaway today. Let me do this. Heck yeah, bro. I'm telling you, if y'all use my code, right, you're gonna buy the prop firm regardless, right? It's a prop firm game. Dude, they like it. And they let me give away more accounts. I'm telling you. I didn't even have to ask for these. They just gave them to me. Gave them to me. I could have used them myself, but I'm going to give them to y'all. Okay, so. All right, I'm going to send that through in the Discord. Get everybody in here in the Discord. Run the like sub chat. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. We've got a TBT. Not a 50K. Not a 100K. A 150K TBT account giveaway at the end of the stream, man. I'm more excited than y'all for this one. This one's gonna be sick. I like the TBT giveaways. TBT is arguably the best prop firm to leverage with. Like, you can really do a lot with a TBT account. Y'all saw that one trader that took, everything starts from just a simple evaluation test, right? He took one evaluation or a handful of evaluations and turned it into like a $700,000 payout. I think that's why I'm so excited. But TBT is amazing. They hooked it up. We're going to do a 150K account giveaway. Same thing. It's a free entry. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is hang out here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for me. Let me know that you're liking the stream. And keep using my code because they like that and they let me give accounts back to y'all. So it's full circle. All right. Let's pull everything up here. Mic check good? I know we have issues with the mic. Is the mic good? Should I put a like on the stream? Run the likes up, man. Let's get to, what's a better account? A 150K TBT test account or a 50K MyFund Futures core account? They're both pretty good. But I think we can get to 600 likes for this bad boy. I think we can get to 600 likes for this bad boy. Run it up. Run it up. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. I'm ready to cook. Hold on, and we're ready to get some good trading on top. It's not just free accounts when y'all tune in, man. It's also clean ass trades. Hopefully, this market's been insane, man. I think if you're staying alive and not getting just ran over, like, it is volatility, but it's just so, oh my goodness, it's so undirectional. And this is where, like, you've got to adjust to the market as well. Like, when we start picking up speed like this and moving quick, we've got to be able to adjust everything. Like, it's probably a good time to start using the ATR again. Like, you don't got to use the ATR when it's a slow market, but now is probably a better time to use it. Just everything, man. But it's a more volatile market than it has been. We're back above the range, 50% of the range now on the hourly as well. Up 430, sick, man, sick. Are live accounts better? Live accounts are always better. I think so. I think so. I want to see the daily, actually, here. Let's see the daily. Wow, yeah, just up. Eventually, man, we're going to get a break to the upside. And I do not want to be trying to fade it when it happens. But if we can hold here coming into the end of the week, we're gonna get a nice strong close towards the top of the range, right? The way the timing of the market here, as long as we're holding this level, it's gonna be a stronger close because it's all just the entire range this week has just been a rejection from the 25,000s. So as long as we can kind of hold this level, you're gonna have a strong, daily candle. You're gonna have a strong weekly candle, and another rejection off support here, looking to go higher. And it's not like this. This is usually how we kind of base before we go higher. We've seen it. We've seen it happen. Kind of had it here, right? Just like puts in a really strong demand and holds and consolidates there for a while before it goes higher. But yeah, let me look at gold. Pull everything up. Jeez. God, gold is just like, just buy the damn dip. What are you doing? Why are you not buying the dip? Gold says. Why are you not buying the dip, bro? Too easy. All right, let's focus on NQ like always. Keep it regular. Yo, what's good? Good morning, Edgy. What's up, everybody? We're doing an account giveaway, a take profit trader account giveaway. A take profit trader account giveaway at the end of the stream. Also, let me pull this up real quick. Yo, TikTok, I'm sorry I can't read the chat, but y'all really should go to YouTube, because over there on YouTube, we're doing an account giveaway at the end of the stream. TikTok, it's nothing. One second, we're kind of just letting the market trying to figure out itself right now. We're going to test a VWAP at around 620. Kind of an interesting spot. You're like 50% of the morning sell-off. It's really important we hold this level if we're going to continue higher. If not, we're looking for a continuation through the lows. All right, we're cooking now. Hold on a sec. All right, just get everything ready. It's a whole process, you know. All right, we're good. Let's do this. Dude, where's my risk disclaimer? I always put it here. Where did it go? All right, we'll do something else. All right. So many things I have to juggle. I have to juggle a giveaway. I have to make sure you guys aren't copy trading me. You know what I mean? No copy trade. There it is. There. Yeah, pretty much. Who's gonna win it? Who's gonna win the TBT giveaway at the end of the stream, chat? If you're just joining in here, we're doing a free account giveaway at the end of the stream. All you gotta do is watch, hit the like button, and subscribe. We're gonna do a giveaway at the end of the stream, but I want to see 600 likes. I know we can get 600 likes. My biggest flex, even after all these years, that I learned in school is that I can type without looking. Only thing I learned in school. Okay, I don't want to copy anybody, but y'all know Nutty Trading. I was watching his stream, And at the end, he did this, right? You know how when we do the giveaway, I just select somebody and it's like one name and it's like, okay, that's what it is. And what Nutty did is he takes a group of names, like 5 or 10 people, and then he puts them in a duck race. Or we can do a similar kind of simulation race. We can do like whatever, you know. But that seems pretty dope. But y'all, like, do y'all think you would have better luck doing it that way? Because then it takes 10 people and kind of gives them an equal chance instead of just like, what do y'all think? What do we think? All right, dude, here we go. I mean, what a nightmare that was. Okay, here we go. There's the risk disclaimer. Do not copy trade, do not fade. I'm not say I mean, even if I was, you shouldn't be copy trading. Nobody has the answer to where the market's going next, and that's a fact. As a trader, we can manage our risk and take high probability trades that are likely to play out and try to manage our risk as best we can, but nobody has the answer to where. So even if I was a financial advisor, I still would not advise that you copy my trade. Yeah, and then I'm also affiliated with the prop firms. If you use them, I'm affiliated in the form of I'll get a commission. Once again, if you use my code on any of the prop firms, there's so many options, and prop firms have helped me so much actually be able to make consistent money, that it's just an amazing leverage tool. So use code BPC on prop firms. If you use them, I'm affiliated with them and I do get a kickback. Also, if you use them, it shows that you like me, and then we can do these free account giveaways. Also, just hang out on the stream every single day. Even if you don't use the codes, I appreciate you. And that also gives me good leverage to haggle for some free accounts to give to y'all. Anything can happen, exactly. Nobody knows where the market, not even Warren Buffett. Not even Warren Buffett. Like they say in Wolf of Wall Street. What does McConaughey say? He's like, nobody knows where the market's going. It's a Fugazi. I'll be on Top Step TV later today. Should I ask for Top Step and discount codes? Come on, AQ, let's get it. Okay, yeah, let's focus up a little bit. We've kind of been slacking. It's kind of difficult to manage everything, man. It's just me. Just me and Nightbot in here. Nightbot's not even active right now. Is Nightbot on? I didn't see Nightbot in the chat once. There he goes. Just me and Nightbot. Doing account giveaways, giving away free trades, trade live accounts. Doing the most. Not the gooning part. TPT, do no discount code. What do you mean? Wait, TP, do no discount code? Yeah, Top Step doesn't do a discount code. What's the worst they can say, man? You just gotta ask. Just ask. I'll ask. I don't care. How do you give away accounts even if you can't trade someone's account? Just wondering. How do I give away accounts? I'm in talks with the company itself, and then they look at this hairline, and then they like if they give me access to accounts to give away, then I just I give them to y'all. Begging, yeah, I also beg. But yeah, guys, go use code BPC on Take Profit Trader. They're amazing, man. They hooked me up. Hook me up to hook y'all up. Maybe if you use my code, get an account. Maybe you'll still win the giveaway and get another account. It may increase your luck. Just kidding. Obviously not. But yeah, it's a free giveaway. No purchase necessary. Just hit the like button, hit subscribe, and be here towards the end of the stream. All right, we're looking at NQ just holding here. What a crazy past couple days it's been. I feel like I've luckily been done in and out with my trading before all the chaos has happened. So I've appreciated that. I know it's been a crazy week. This is an account type blowing week, man. So it's good that I'm giving a giveaway to y'all. I know one of y'all blew the TBT accounts. I promise. I know it. Raise your hand if you've blown a TBT account. You need this giveaway account. Also, TikTok. Go to YouTube. BPCTrades on YouTube. I can't do anything for y'all there. Y'all got to go to YouTube. I'm trying to develop a bias in my head looking at this slop, and I have nothing. I have nothing. Anybody have a logical idea of where we might go? I mean, I'm obviously just to anticipate and react to what we're going to do, but I'm not seeing anything obvious right now is the issue. It's better that you're blowing evals, though. Better you're blowing evals. Never want to blow funded. That sucks. I don't stop at just one. Me neither, man. Bro, I think I set a record for the quickest evaluation blow up. We'd have to go put the stopwatch on it. I got short like 2 nights ago whenever gold was doing this on this candle. I was just trying to preempt, like, it was just looking really extended. I got in short at like 26, and then it just went 26 to 42 in like less than 30 seconds and just blew the accounts. I had 5 minis, just tried to catch a quick scalp. They were evals, but I don't think I've ever blown an eval that quick. Just a nutty market, man. Just holding this range on NQ. Not crazy about trading my intraday accounts unless we start to. I hate the range right now. These intraday accounts are so tricky, man. You really have to pick the right market to trade them. I want an account, please. Well, good luck. You might win it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. What do we want to do, NQ? What do you like to withdraw from the Top Zip Live? You know what? Whenever I start sucking, I usually take a withdrawal. Like whenever I hit the DLL a couple days in a row, it's like, okay, I think that's a good practice when you're in a live account. Like, if you're not doing good, take a payout. Probably should be the other way around, but I never tried that. Never tried to take a payout when I'm doing good. I only take when I'm doing bad. When you reset a blown, no, I wouldn't reset a TPT account, man. It's too cheap to go back and try getting the evals. The resets are $100 regardless of the account size, that's something I really like. The resets are $100. Like, they're actually, I know that's not cheap, guys, but any other 150k eval is gonna run you like above $200 to reset. TPT is the same reset. That's why it kind of makes sense to go with the larger accounts, because the resets are the same. But no, I wouldn't. I mean, I've done it before. Trust me, it was a stupid idea. You're paying to reset an intraday account. It's not a fun time. Let me make sure the panel's up on NQ, not gold. All right, we're trying to curl back out. Curl back out above 658 here. Did you sell it, bro? I haven't done anything yet. I'm waiting for my opportunity. See what we want to do here. See if we break above the high here at 58. If we can, maybe pick up some volume to the upside. If not, we're kind of just still in the range. I need gold. What did gold do? Gold pull off the high? Yeah. Well. Yeah, we're right here against the all-time highs on gold. I wouldn't be too surprised to see this kind of Maybe reject a little bit, but that's a lot of buying on the hourly. I mean, this is around, when does gold settle, in like an hour? You don't typically see gold trend too hard after lunch. Wonder if it kind of sets a range up here to maybe try to fade some. NQ pulling back. Ooh, I blended XFA with 22K in it. Oh, God. Yeah, I mean, I went on a sun run. I was an exception. That's not gonna happen for a lot of y'all. I'm lucky it happened for me. I mean, that was a nice hourly candle to the downside, but it's not really like, there's no continuation on it. We could just curl it back up. If you had to twist my finger, I would say, I would want to say long, but man, we've just seen some ugly. This makes me a little paranoid. That ugly that ugly one, just, it almost seems like, look how identical these look. These look exactly the same. These two. I don't want to get caught in that. That would not be fun. But it does kind of look like we can break the highs here. It's not the fastest market today, but I see the vision. Maybe to look for it into like the 690s. That low at 600 is holding pretty well. That's the bottom of this hourly here. As long as we don't flip it, it can hold. Hourly just opened up. If this can pick up some volume through 60s. Even. Thing is, I would look for like 20 to 30 points to start covering some of it, and it's still very rangy right now. We haven't actually broken out. I had a blown XFA with 141K. You had a couple of DLLs. You have a DLL on account that you built till 41K. That's applaudable. You're going to be a monster in a live account. It's one thing that, you know, you can build an account with no risk parameter, but like DLLs, if you can build an account with a DLL, or maybe you put a DLL on it after you built it up, but if you built it while you had a DLL on it, that is applaudable. It's hard enough managing it with the DLL to just like float, stay live. If you're scaling an account to 40K, you're a killer. That's a nice rip off 27, man. This looks like he kind of wants to break through 40s, 50s. It's just, I don't want to get chopped up. But that's a nice pivot, and we're right back to the highs. I kind of want to look for a fast break here. I'll take it on the wrist if I'm wrong. I'm in 3. I'm looking for the breakthrough 60s here. I'm going to stop it out under that pivot. I'll risk $100. Let's see if we can do it here. I'm looking for the break of 60s and then into the 70s. If we get some volume, I might try to add. We'll see what happens here. We need to get the break first. We're right here on the hourly. This should break. I want to go break him and quit. I want to cover the risk because it's not a great entry. We know that, right? It's not a great entry. Can we go to the 60s? See, we're breaking the highs. I just want to see it push through with momentum here. I don't want to see it stall. Yeah, I'm not loving it. You have to give it some room. I'm kind of holding this stop right here. I don't want to let it get back below like 42. 42 is probably a good stop. I'm trying to keep it tight, man. Trying to keep it tight. Trying to keep it tight. We're breaking it out on the hourly. We just got to push above. Yeah, that's okay. I'm okay with that. I think I'm okay with that. A little $40 risk. That's a good starter for me. That's fine. I'm trying to start my session out. I'm okay with that. It might have been wrong though. It's okay. It's not like it's not like that's a huge loss. I can always try again, right? A little paper cut in there. How many times will I get paper cut before I can get the breakout though is the question. And hourly still has so much time on it. I'm gonna try it one more time here. We're holding, more or less we're holding. I want to try it here, go break even, and just see this push to 60s, 70s right now. Or I could sell it here and keep buying back at the 50s. So hesitant. Come on now, NQ. You're killing me, brother. Break out. Nice push. Nice push. Nice push. Go push the 60s here. Let's get it. Hourly's just continue to push that high. It's holding the 50s. This looks good for a break, but we gotta get a break with volume here. Oh, what are you doing? Stop being so quick. I can't focus. You're killing me, bro. Like, what are you doing? You're just leaving a wick out there, then you can't, like, what are you doing? Whenever the market really moves quick like that, I like to just cover the risk. I don't like to play stupid ass games with it whenever we start wicking around like that. Look, I understand that I'm playing it very tight. I'm okay with that. When it's a dog poo-poo entry, I like to play it tight. We just can't get it, huh? Yeah, this is kind of failing. This almost looks a little pathetic, huh? This almost looks a little pathetic. I'm trying to like be a sniper and add on the break of 64 like I'm a penny stock trader or some shit. How do is this stop by what I want here? I don't think we're gonna get much of anything. This thing's just pooped out above the highs. We're just exhausted already. This market's horrible. All right, chalk it up, brother. Piece of junk, man. All right, let's bring the energy back up. Guys, if y'all are just joining in, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're doing a Take Profit Trader 150K account giveaway at the end of the stream. All you got to do is be in here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Like, I'm trying to catch a fucking breakout, and we're just pathetic. It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. This thing's put me in a blender already. Is there a more stable market that isn't on cocaine? Ooh, yeah, Bitcoin's exceptionally weak, especially with this. I mean, it's trying to follow NQ strength, but Bitcoin's exceptionally weak. Do I want to try to short it intraday, like right down here at 50% of this range on the hourly? I don't know. I still feel like Bitcoin has so much chance to just draw heavy into this low at 85, especially with the really ugly rejection we've been seeing. I wouldn't be opposed to trying it. The entry is not amazing, but we're breaking down here. Easiest short of your life? What short are you taking? Not much for an entry to get in here, though. How many times could I get paper cut trying to take this breakout trade is the issue. Aggressive retest of the highs. I'm gonna try again here. Looking for the break back above 65. I expect that we'll get a bit of momentum here as we're like pulling back above 50% of the range. We're back into the highs almost at this point. Nice bounce off 52. Just trying to be positioned for the breakout right now. Nice. Trying to think about adding here. This looks strong, retesting the highs. If we pull back into the 62s, okay, I'm gonna add here. I'm in 6. Looking for the re-break of the high. I want to see 70s here. It's up there. It's just wicking off. Let's get 70s a break. Covered 2. Break even at this point. How could you not be? We're on the breakout. A retest of this would be ugly. If we leave a wick there, I'll probably trail it more. This is... Can we get 10 points without wicking all the way back down? Hallelujah. Thank you. Okay. All right, I'm going to bell. I'm up 60. A couple of good trades like that will be up a few $100 at the end of it. I think that's about the right way. I think that's about the way I want to be trading it today, to be honest. Entries could always be better, but yeah, kind of trying to catch breaks of levels, and then it's not seeing a lot of momentum. I mean, maybe this breaks through the 80s here, and I look like a dum-dum, but a little hesitant to break, a little slow. Why are you not in a trade? What? Yo, chat. 150K TPT giveaway at the end of the stream. All you have to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See the 80s break here. I mean, I'm down for it. Let's see what happens here. We're back into the highs. Already sub, still entered. Yep, that's a free giveaway. All you gotta do is hit sub, hit like. I think we executed well on that. We kind of got it in the 50s. We added once it broke and just got out of it. think we'll break through the 80s though. I mean, this hourly's got a lot of room here to run back to these highs. It's pretty clear the direction we're going. We're holding above VWAP. We're in one of them deep U-shaped patterns now. I'm here. Let's go. How do you manage your stops on your runners? A lot of people say trail. I usually just run break even and manually get out, but I'm not the best example of a trader who leaves runners. I don't really do it too well because most of my trades are quick, so by nature I'm not really having runners, but every once in a while. But you know what, I really prefer to just stay break even regardless, and then I'll, even if it starts to retrace, instead of just doing a trailing stop, I'll just get out, just mark it out. Check out gold. Okay, gold's looking a little stronger. Pulling into the highs here. NQ and gold up. Bitcoin caught some retracement from where I was wanting to get short, so good thing we didn't. I mean, I wasn't wanting to get short, but it looked like a good short opportunity at some point, maybe up here, maybe on the recess to 90. We're just bleeding up. Doesn't this just kind of feel like a melt up here? This hourly candle still got 30, 35, 40, 35 minutes on it. You think about it, making $200 to $300 a day is enough to live. Exactly. Exactly. I'm trying to work more on that, man. Just like kind of a couple $100 a day. Keeping my emotions in check on a daily basis. Like a lot of traders can't even. I struggle with it, man, from time to time. Like probably more often than you think. Like literally can't go a series of days or a string of days without like going into an emotional spiral while trading. That shit's not healthy. That's just not healthy. Like there's some traders out there that can't go. Trust me, I'm like it sometimes, man. I'm like it. It's when I'm using too much size, I'm like it. I can't avoid it. I think everybody, when they use too much size, is like it. There's just some traders out there that can't go a couple of days in a row without having an emotional spiral within the charts, within the trading, within their P&L, which just affects your outside life. And it's really not healthy. I don't think it's really not healthy for your mental being. I really think it's horrible. It's bad. So just size down. Stop trying to get rich on every trade. That's a big one. Some people are trying to get rich on every single trade. It's a much easier life when it's just low risk, couple $100 at stake. That's what most traders can handle. Anybody not already a multi-millionaire can usually just handle a couple $100 at risk. Especially when you're only paying $50 to $100 for the prop firm to begin with. So yeah, use code BPC on prop firms. You can get started with as little as like $50. Learn risk management, build some emotional tolerance to the markets, perfect your strategy. Slow and steady. Bless you. Thank you so much. I'm getting the, I think they said there's a flu going around. I think I'm catching it, which I don't know how because I've only been inside the past week. Hi, Brad. My MyFund Futures evals, I made 1,600. Then I intentionally lose 100 to reach the consistency rule. Is that fine? Yeah, that's fine, man. It's hard to see big winning days and then very small days for a couple days. Yeah, but let me tell you one thing, man. Let me tell you one thing. You're going to be in a better spot emotionally just trading smaller and being able to manage everything emotionally. just trading smaller, because like you'll have the really huge days, but man, if that's just how you go, you're gonna lose it. You're gonna lose it just as quick. It's trust me, dude, I've seen it in the live account because I used to be like that. Like I'm working on not being as much like that. I don't feel like I am as much anymore. But this live account would have crazy P&L swings, and like I could have a massive day, but then you're hitting the daily loss limit a couple of days in a row. It's just like it equals out. It equals out because when you're gambling like that and you're not trading and you're just like over leveraging everything, it's all going to equal out, or you'll probably end up down. It's so much easier to just trade small, actually trade. You're ready for the weather this weekend. I'll be on a cruise this weekend, actually, so I hope that it's good weather. Yeah, I won't be here next week, guys. At RIP. That's why we got to do the free account giveaway today. Yeah, that's exactly how it goes, Josh. I feel that. Easy come, easy go, they say, right? If it's that easy to make thousands and thousands of dollars over leveraging, it's that easy to lose it. In fact, I would argue it's easier to lose it because that drawdown, especially with prop firms, the drawdown, like when you're trading very heavy size, you're much more likely to hit the drawdown before you hit your profit target. In fact, you're about, what's the math on it? Your drawdown's half of your profit target. What's the math on it that you're more likely, if you flip a coin, to hit that drawdown rather than hit your profit target? If you're not giving yourself a sample size and you're just full porting every trade. What is it like? What's the percentage on that? Would it be like 200%? 100%? 50? I don't know. 33% more likely to hit? Yeah. 33% on top of 50% because you have a 50 chance anyways, right? So like, let's say 75%. Like you got to add the 50 because you're not 100% to win that trade regardless, right? Let's say you have a 50-50 shot of winning the trade, plus you have a 33% chance that if you are risking everything for it, you're going to hit that drawdown before you hit your TP. Then you're looking at like a 75% chance, right? If you're full porting every trade, that you're going to hit it. Or if you're risking your drawdown on every trade, that you're going to hit it. I don't know if that math's right, but it sounds right to me. I can agree with that, Leon. I guess I can agree with that. You don't need a huge buffer, though. I would say most traders, man, can make a consistent income, like a you know, like a professional Wall Street trader. If you gave them a $10,000 futures account with like normal leverage, because they're not going to over leverage with a $10,000 account, they could make a consistent income with a $10,000 account. How do I answer giveaway? Just hang out in here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're doing it at the end of the stream. Waiting to see what NQ does here. I think it was a good, I mean, we caught from the 50s up to the 70s and kind of got out. I think that was a good exit because now we're just chopping a bit. Your MNQ on Top Step's 30 point less than mine, really. Interesting. Yeah, man, that's just like it's the kryptonite of a trader, is like over leveraging and tilt. You say, well, it's because they're a byproduct of one another, right? You over leverage, you're on tilt. You're on tilt, you over leverage. It's just, if you can avoid those two things, or one of those things, because it's always gonna mix together with the other. The only way to do that is just trading a couple micros, taking really good trade setups, not being emotional when you take a loss because it's part of the process. And trust me, I'm not just telling you the guys this. Like, this is something I'm actively working on. Like, this is me talking to myself a lot too. I'm not just preaching to the choir. Like, this is me actually, like, right? I'm not acting like, I'm genuinely talking to myself as well. Fade said lost 17K. Lost 17K. Had to take a week off. Nice. So at least you took a week off. Lock couldn't. So this isn't live. What do you mean? This is live. This is live account. I don't know what's wrong with your M&Q price, man. I think everybody has the same. Even on my, yeah, it's all 674 here. What do you think of this PA? It's a little slow. A little slow. I don't really want to trade my intraday accounts in this chop here. I'd have to find a really good setup. I'm gonna break a 60s here actually on NQ. Thoughts on the Lucid Black accounts? I think they're a really good option for like quick payouts. You can get a payout in as little as 3 days after funded. Flex is a better option. Yeah, it's cheaper. I'm not in a rush to get a payout. A lot of what some of these prop firms are and it's not a bad thing, but they're doing well at marketing like impulse, right? Like XFA resets. Get a payout in as little as this much time. You're gonna pay extra for it, but get a payout in as little as 3 days. Like, people are so impulsively in a rush to get to a payout that they're doing well marketing it because they can sell for more expensive prices. I'm not in a rush to get a payout. I take my time. It's gonna take me a month to get a payout on these accounts. But what I do is go hit, chat. Hey, cross your fingers. What I do is go hit. Oh shit, hold on. It's a constant battle to make sure I don't give you all my login information every day. All right. $89 away from MLL on a 50K top step combine. You know what I saw somebody do, man, and it's not financial advice, but like that, let's agree that counts kind of cooked. I don't know if this would work, but I saw somebody posted a TikTok of them doing a CPI trade, and they had a limit order, and he had like $80. It's the same situation. He had like $80 of drawdown, and he did like a 2 mini order like at CPI, and then like it filled and then kept going. So like he didn't get he didn't get drawdown on it, and then it TP'd, and then he brought it from like $80 of drawdown to like up 800 or something. I don't know. Not a financial advice. Not financial advice. Here's a risk disclaimer after that one. I read TFTC rule. Futures are risky. Yeah, but I mean, yeah, that account's pretty much cooked, right? I mean, you might have a good little shot. I mean, with how like with how volatile it's been, if you can like limit order into some news, although it's not a suggestion. I mean, it's that or the alternative. The alternatives, you go down to 1 micro and you just take it. I mean, it's gonna take you months. Prepare for that. But I mean, we're talking about $50, right? We're talking about $50 to get another one. Would it be a stop order? To get filled, it would be a limit. Oh yeah, you know what? It'd be a stop order. Yeah, it would be a stop order. You're right. We are still, I mean, we push the hourly candle. We're just holding structure here. Looking like we want to push higher. It's not in a rush, that's for sure, but we are kind of grinding up here. How do you structure eval risk? I'm not gonna lie, dude. I go 5 minis strong, 10 if I can. At this point, that's what I do. I full port them. In fact, that's a good way for me to take scratch that itch a little bit. Just do it on an eval. If I pass it, great. If not, try again. But when it comes to the fundeds, like, it's about discipline and about trading well. What about consistency? Just put your prop target at 1500 or whatever it is. Although with 5, I don't trade 50Ks though. So we're talking about a $9,000 TP or PT. So I'm looking for $1,500, maybe 2 minis, 3 minis. All right, we're trying to break again. Let's see what we can do here. Also, guys, if you're just joining in here, can we get to 600 likes? We're doing a TPT 150K account giveaway, man. Run the likes up, hit the subscribe button. That's all you got to do. It's a free giveaway. No strings attached. Why do you trade 50Ks? Because I just don't. I don't know. I literally can't. I just can't bring myself to buy it. I feel like I'm settling for I don't know. I have to have the 150Ks. It's just how it is. It's just how it is, dude. It's like, I don't know. I don't know what it is in me. I just have to do the 150s. It is a little bit more value for your money. Yes, that's true. Plus, like, the payout caps are less. It's just, I just prefer to do the 150s. Good morning. Just starting to trade today too. Nice. Yeah, nothing wrong with it. This is about my prime time right here. I've caught some of the best trades ever right here at 10:42 in the morning. Don't trade the open. I let the market pick its direction, then we look to take trades off of that. Appreciate that, Lesman. Three 50Ks over one 150K. What about three 150Ks over one 350Ks? I have no idea why that could be, Kevin. Honestly, I have no idea. You should reach out to support. Got all-time highs on gold. It looks like we're just going to bleed up to the all-time highs. No pullback. $4,900 is not far away, man, at all. That's kind of the next key level. 15 points away, that's nothing. How do you enter for the giveaway? You just got to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hang out. At the end of the stream, we'll do the giveaway. We're trying to get 600 likes. So if we're not there yet, everybody make sure to hit the like button. And we'll try to catch another trade on NQ here shortly. Yo, what's good? What's good, man? What's up, Austin? How many trades have you taken? I've taken 2. 1 winner, 1 loser. There hasn't been much for us to trade, to be fair. We caught the 50s to the 70s. I added in right there in the middle. Took it out here. Just a simple one. We are just kind of slowly grinding up. Keep holding higher lows. It's a slow move, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Oh, what time you go today on Top Step TV? You know what? I think I go on at 1. Let me look. We'll go live until like, we'll stay live a while because we're going to do the giveaway after. Then I'll just hop right over to Top Step. Let's see. We go on. Oh, I go on at 2. That's real late. I didn't realize I went on at 2. Okay. All right, we're breaking new highs in Q. We're in here, man. I mean, this hourly candle closes above 690s, and we're right back to the highs. It's solid, man. Solid market. Yo, risk disclaimer. We're gonna do this real quick. Hold on. Okay, chat. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dash to the restroom. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Y'all keep an eye on the market. I think it could be interesting when we get back. Maybe we get a break to 700s. Let's see. I'll be right back. Give me a couple minutes. All right, we're back. Do we need to buy TPT account in order to participate? You don't have to do anything, man. It's a totally free giveaway. Out of the kindness of my heart, all you got to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We need 600 likes. We're still at like 200. We need way more likes. We need way more likes. We got a kick-ass giveaway, chat. Run up the likes. Wow, I mean, you look at it, it doesn't look like chop, but it's taking every minute of this hour to get up here. I mean, it's taking the entire hourly candle. It was a nice move. We moved 100 points in an hour, but none of it was quick. None of it was quick. I mean, it literally took every minute of this hour to get up here. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all, we'll do the giveaway at the end of the stream. We're trying to get 600 likes. 600 likes. I know we can do it. I mean, you have to like to be interested in the giveaway anyways, so. See what NQ can do. Did gold pull back off the highs a little bit? Not really. Just grinding into the all-time highs at 891 here. What about silver? Silver. Incredible breakout. Silver is at all-time highs. Wow. Jeez, man. Oh, wow. Here we go. We get some move now. 10-point break to the upside on NQ. Hold on. Hold on now. It's a little bit ugly. It's a little bit ugly at 700s. See if buyers want to retest that. We get 8 minutes till this hourly candle closes here. We're gonna get a strong close on it. Looks like, unless they do something crazy at the end of the candle here. Suppose we could drop 100 points in 8 minutes and leave a crazy wick right at the top of the hour. Come on, there we go. Anybody in NQ longs here? I mean, it's a patient one. That is a patient hold. Yes, yes. Yeah, nice. Everybody, only everybody. Nice, dude. Nice, guys. Nice, guys and girls. Play a song. We'll play a song at the end of the stream. It just makes it easier in post for me to go and cut it out so I can not get copyrighted. Yeah, 2 micros, $600 is amazing, man. And the important part is your risk was 2 micros. It's nothing. Nothing wrong with that. Also makes it super easy emotionally to hold that, right? 2 micros, I bet that was a lot easier for you to hold than a mini. Like, could you say you would have held it as long if you had a mini and you had all that, right? The P&L like moving like that. That's almost the more important part. Yeah, we're just grinding up here, man. Hourly's gonna close here in about 5 minutes. I want to keep an eye on that. 5 minutes just bleeding up. Yeah, I really want to see how this hourly candle closes here in the next 5 minutes. Tell us a lot, kind of how heavy this resistance is at 700s, but we are kind of floating down here. Look at this 5-minute candle. Wow. Yo, anybody on TikTok that's watching, guys, come over to YouTube on BPCTrades. We're gonna do a free account giveaway. Take Profit Trader 150K. It's a really good account. All you got to do is be on the YouTube, hit like, hit subscribe at the end of the stream. 600 likes is the goal. If you haven't liked, hit the like button. Okay, this is getting interesting. I love when I hate it whenever I'm in a trade, but when price gets really quick, like at the top of the hour, it gets really interesting. You got 4 minutes on this hourly candle. We've just given back 30 points. Like, what are we gonna do here? It likes to do that in the last few minutes of an hourly candle close, if you don't notice. Happens often. Happens often. I need a count, please. You got to just get lucky, man. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. You don't have to do anything. It's a free entry. It's a free entry. Although if y'all did want to support me and you're going to use a prop firm anyways, use code BPC on MyFund Futures, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, Alpha, Apex. BPC, that's just my initials, man. Just my initials. Watching for this hourly close on NQ. The resistance at 700 is very... This is what I said. Didn't I say some shit like this? I suppose we could drop 100 points. I know we didn't drop 100 points, but what's happening? Yet just a slow control grind up, and then the last 4 minutes of this hourly candle, they're going to make it just disgusting. Gotta wait for the hourly to close at this point. Got to. Have you blown a Top Step live account? I've never blown a Top Step live account. Really F with the stash, appreciate it. It used to be better than this, but I had to trim it. I took a lot off. It used to be a lot better than this. The issue is when I would go outside, I think they say like this part when you're in the sun doesn't get sunlight because it's like blocked by the nose. And then so the outside was getting really blonde. And then it was like just blonde brown. It just looked weird. And it just looked so much more dense right here. On top of the fact that I have a lot more hair growth right down the nose. People kept saying I look like the German leader of the 40s to 50s. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's because of the sunlight, because it didn't used to look like that. The hair like changed colors. All right, 2 minutes on this hourly candle. It's not looking as strong as it was, obviously. Decided to give us a little bit of a pullback coming into the new hourly candle. We're just waiting. We're just waiting for the hourly candle to close here. I don't want to be messing with price right at the top of the hourly candle. A lot of the times when these hourly candles open, it gets pretty wicky. Got 10 seconds on this hourly to close. All right, fresh hourly. Now we can work with something. Let's see what happens here. Guys, if you're just joining in, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You're immediately entered into the free TPT 150K account giveaway. All you got to do. Think you pulling back now? Do we expect it? No. If you win the giveaway, you'll give it to someone else, huh? Is that right? All right, got an hourly candle flipping above 68 here. This does kind of feel like it continues to bleed up at this point. Kind of interested to see if we hold a range around here. Set a range from like 80s to 60s, and we definitely consolidate here for a while, especially with how slow that rally was. Got a wick on the hourly that kind of put in some structure for us to maybe hold a range against right here. This is all wick. Everything down to 71's a wick. This is all a wick above. Yeah, I'm not watching ES today, no. Although, I mean, I guess I can take a look at it. Oh, we're in like a gap on the ES here. I'd be open to like trying to kind of set up a range trade here from the 80s to the 60s. Depending on how this break above the 80s looks. If we chop around there, I'd be interested in trying to take it. I wanted above 80, man. How do I enter the giveaway? Just hit the like button, hit subscribe. That's all you gotta do. All right, I'm gonna see if I can catch a range trade from the 80s to 60s here. Stop it out if we break back above 90s. See if we can catch a range trade from 80s to 60s. See if that can work out here. I like the idea. Had a slow rally up here. We have a wick that we're kind of resisting from 70s to 700s. It's been pretty rangy price action on the way up, so I don't mind trying it out. Got an initial rejection from our entry. It looks good. Now we're coming back up to break it. Still kind of expecting a little bit of resistance above 80s though, so I'm okay to hold this. See if we can catch a 1-to-1 range trade a little bit here. Got initial rejection off the entries. I mean, this is kind of range-bound price action here. Continue rejection of 80s. We just kind of got to get under the 69s. You don't want to do it, do you? Is it 80s to 70s? Is that the range? 80s to 70s. Maybe that's the range. No, I like where it's at. We're not visiting the bottom of the range as soon as I get into my short. I hate it. Just holding at the 80s, looking like it wants to break higher. Try to preempt a bit of a range trade here. I don't know if it's going to work. It's a nice rejection. Can we go through? Can we go through 75s? Yikes. I think our range trade might be cooked here. Yeah, no, fuck a range trade. We're just going to break out the volume. Typical. Typical things. Oh, I guess a re-break of this high. I'd like to get out, huh? So much for looking for a range trade. That didn't work, did it? All right. Okay. We learn it. We live and learn. Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you. That's okay. That's all right. All right. Let's just wait for another setup, I guess. I like the idea of a range trade there. Just didn't want to do it. That's okay. They don't always work. I mean, it'll work every other time, but not that time. Holy gold candle. We break through the highs on gold. Ooh, a little dump. Just gonna run back to the all-time highs on gold on that dip. Looks strong coming back up, that's for sure. Damn. Damn. I don't know, man. Yeah, we just got volatile all of a sudden. I think the range trade would have worked if we didn't just pick up a crazy amount of volatility. I like this setup for a break under 75. I'm not gonna lie. Give me filled on that wick. All right, I'm filled short on this kind of retracement off 75 for a break under that equal low. Seems like we're getting into some volatility though. That might be a bad idea. Just thinking we might just die out of that volume a little bit here. Looking for the break 75 quick. Gotta break this low. Gotta break this low. We're too hesitant to break that low. Let's break 75s. Let's break 75s. Not 1, 2. Flip it. Yeah, we're starting to get into just like this market sporadic. This doesn't even feel like I can trade it anymore. Like, what is this PA here? Is Trump on right now? This feels sporadic as heck. This feels sporadic as heck. Yeah, this isn't it, chat. This is not it. This just feels like a dice roll. I don't even feel confident at all in this. This feels like a damn dice roll. I'm waiting to see if we can pivot off. Like I'm understanding of volatility, so I don't want to cut shit too early, but this feels more like gambling than trading at this point. We just had a crazy volatility just came into this market and just doing whatever it wants. I'm not playing by my rules here. That looks like it breaks 75. I'll be damned if that doesn't fucking break 75. How do we not break 75 here? Wow. Tested it 4 times to 75 level. If we get a weak retracement here. I don't really love adding into random volatility like this, but this 75 level looks like it wants to go. Tested it 4 times with heavy rejections off the top. Yeah, this just feels like gambling. This doesn't feel like trading. I guess Trump's talking or something. This is just totally random. Totally random. I'm down $40. Just can't like. I mean, can't really complain. The price action is not giving us a lot of opportunities. I got you. 1 sec. Mike should be better. Yeah, this NQ movement is pretty just like random. Very random. Like totally random. I think we'll wait like 10 minutes, let everything cool down. What's this TBT giveaway? It's a free 150k TBT test account. All you got to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That's all you have to do. And then at the end of the stream, once we get to 600 likes, we'll do it. We got to get 600 likes. And I would love to take some decent trades, but the range trade idea is not really working. This market really feels like it wants to break out. I just having trouble catching anything today. So gold's Bitcoin's kind of an interesting market to look for continuation of the downside on, but it could just chop the rest of the day for all I know. Yeah, I don't know. I like the range trade idea, but this just feels a little bit like it wants to break out here. Trump's talking, bet. It's getting real. It's moving quicker now. It's like quick. What a nightmare this is right here. Total nightmare. Nice wick off 81 if you're looking for like a quick break of these lows. But it's hard though when a market like just gets random and volatile like this. Like it's actually so difficult to read price action because none of it holds any like truth. Like that, you know what I mean? A wick doesn't mean shit usually when it's just volatile like this. Oh no, I hate when that happens. I hate when that happens. I swear I just touched it. This is kind of what I was looking for before we chopped to 90s a million times. Some decent selling in here. I think it's a good decision not to trade my intraday accounts in this market. I'm happy with that decision. I think we just wait to see what happens. Like if we continue holding this range or if we break out. It's the only thing we can really do right now. I don't feel like putting a hard stop in this market either. It's so volatile that you want to think that we can hold a range, but at the same time it kind of is. We're kind of right here at 60s to 90s. It's moving so quick that it doesn't really seem like a range, but it is. Gold's holding its structure really well, just under all-time highs. Like very well. That pivot off of 72 looks solid. What do you think the odds are if we get long on gold? We're going to see a rip down to 48.50. What do you think the odds are? But when gold breaks through the all-time highs, it can go. You know. Gold's trying to lure me into this risky ass, crappy risk trade of a break of the all-time highs. You bet it goes to 4,900, 49. Above 49? I mean, yeah, it's only 15 points away. What happens if we just buy one and keep the risk like ever so tight? Let's see what happens. Should I put a couple stop? Okay, would this be a huge mistake? Like put a couple stop buys in above 88 so that way if we break, because a lot of time when gold breaks, man, it just flies. I'm watching NQ kind of pull back a little bit. You got hit 3 stop losses in gold. Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. But we're just consolidating right under the all-time highs. I wonder if we can get a breakout here. Structure tells me we can. Feel like we've been in this range long enough. We have a nice pivot off of 72, right back to the highs. And Q pulling back. Okay, here we go. Gold. I love it when you work with me. Let's get it. Let's fucking go to 4,900. One micro. Who cares? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy camper. I'm happy camper. I'm a happy camper. I'm out. God, I love when the market plays out that quick. I wish I was in a lot more size though. Holy crap. That never happens. That never happens. I never get a breakout right after I enter like that. Don't get used to it, chat, because that shit will not happen often. That will not happen often. Day trader grind, you know. That went 85 to 95 in a minute. That's what I say when gold breaks out, it just fucking goes. It literally flies past orders. It just goes. That's why I took that gold short over the NQ short yesterday, because if it can break a level, oh God, dude, it can go. It can go quick within like a minute and it's just you're immediately green. You don't have to deal with up, pull back, up, pull back. Like this is NQ, right? If it made that same move, gold would do it in a second. Which is scary, but if you're on the right side of it, it's so like easy. Not easy, trading's not easy, but when you get a breakout of a level, it's immediate with gold. NQ is like you try to catch this fucking breakout and we're just we're gonna chop around all day. It's annoying. Yeah, I think it's the first time I've traded gold long in probably 2 weeks. All right, we're back to NQ's stupid ass. I don't even know why we trade NQ at this point. MQ long's cooking. Okay. How about silver? Do y'all want to see me blow my account? Me neither. Okay, guys, anybody just joining in here, we're doing a 150K take profit trader test account giveaway. All that you have to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you're automatically entered. No purchase necessary. It's entirely free. If you guys want to support me and want more free account giveaways in the future, then use code BPC with Take Profit Trader right now. You get 40% off, no activation fees. Get paid in as little as 1 day once funded. Read up on the do your due diligence on the accounts. It is an intraday account, but pros and cons to everything. You're not going to find end-of-day prop firm accounts out there with daily payouts and uncapped payouts. That's kind of what comes with being able to just be a baller. And honestly, intraday is tough. That's why I'm choosing not to trade it on a day like today. But if you can get it, man, you're looking at uncapped daily payouts, no activation fees, solid prop firm, solid. And one of y'all are going to win a 150K, not a 50K, not a 100K, a 150K for free. All you got to do is hit like, hit subscribe. We're trying to get to 600 likes. I know we can get there. I wouldn't ask if I didn't think we could. These accounts are solid. I've turned, as a matter of fact, the account giveaway I'm giving to y'all today, I've turned a 150K test account, just the same account I'm giving to y'all today, into a 15K payout before. And you're getting it for free, so lock in, dude. Hit the like button. Let's get 600 likes. Let's get this giveaway going. I literally taken a 150K test account, the same exact one, and I've turned it into a 15K payout. I've done it. I've done it. Let's go. Appreciate that, Rex. All right. All right. Let's look at some markets. What the heck is going on? We caught the gold trade. Try to catch a handful of decent trades with controlled risk. And if we do good, we could be up a couple $100 at the end of the day. But it's not been a great market so far. Really choppy. And also, I think, you can hear my voice going out. Do we want to do the duck race? Do we want to do the duck race? We'll do the duck race. I can get 10 names from the entries and then put them in a duck race. Duck? Everybody likes the duck race idea? Okay, I'm not trying to copy, but I think that's cool. Is there another kind of race that we can do other than ducks? The unanimous vote is that we do a duck race. Marbles? Nah, ducks are cooler than marbles, I guess. Is that the only two options? What you mean race? Like, I'll put y'all into like a randomized duck race. I'll select 10 names from people that enter the giveaway. Then I'll put them in a duck race. Then whoever wins first in that duck race. That way, I think it's statistically, you have the same chance of winning if I just pick one. But that way, like, it kind of, you know, it narrows it down to 10 people. And then those 10 people compete in the duck race. It's all simulated. You're not going to have to actually race anybody. I think people like that idea. Help the cat. The cat's just a talker. All right. Let's do something eventful in Q. Look at that rip off 80, 89 there on gold. We're just going to inch up into the 4900s, huh? Bitcoin's kind of getting hit a little bit here. I don't want to get chopped up. I'm already getting chopped up enough as it is today. Gold continues to look good structurally for a continued sell-off, but it's like, I don't know when to get into this market. Like, when is it a good time? I don't want to get chopped up. We're seeing strength on NQ that's not reflecting on Bitcoin, which I like. You know, typically they've kind of been trying to correlate a little bit, but Bitcoin's just a weaker market. I don't want to get chopped up though. Hold on, we got NQ curling back to the highs here. Let's see. Bitcoin is one I guess I would like to have a personal account that I can hold overnight sometimes and try to take that Bitcoin trade. All right, we're getting volume break to the upside here on NQ. Some nice volume break to the upside. Holy crap, just one directional. Right back at the highs. Is NQ bearish? I think NQ is just in a slow grind up at the moment. Waiting to see if anything becomes obvious. Trying to break through 700s here. It's goal number 1. Getting hit with some heavy resistance. 94 just getting shot. Wow, down to 80s. When does the giveaway start? It starts right at the end of the stream. I'd like to make more than 40 bucks today. I'm just being so methodical with these funded accounts that I'm like refusing to trade it if we get chopped. I'm just not going to do it. Not going to do it. All right, here we go, NQ. Let's see what we can do. 700's coming up. There we go. We're getting some volatility here. 703 is the high. Breaking out. We got session high sitting at 740. Entry into what? What are we trying to enter into? Gold's kind of rejected 97 there. It's a nice wick off 97. What if you could take a quick scalp through 92s here? I want to try something for the sake of it. I'm in a quick short. I'm looking for the break under 92.3. I'm just in 1 micro. I'm gonna stop it out above that wick. See if it wants to play. Well, you can't stop this market, I guess. Let's see what happens. Rip. I like the way that closed. We're about to see break at 4,900 on gold. I like that wick for a quick break there, but we're obviously fighting the trend. Look at gold. Quick $30 donation to the market. No big deal. Yo, if you guys are just joining in here, we're doing a free 150K take profit trader account. All you gotta do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We just donated $30 so quick. I hate myself. No, I like that, but look at this. Now it's getting volume, 4,900s. Gone on a little intraday rally, gold is. Did you ever struggle with taking counter trend trades? Yeah, right there. That was a horrible trade. I like these lows though, at 89, 892s and 89s. Like we kept breaking, getting some nice selling back into it. These two levels are very close. It just looked like maybe we wanted to roll over a little bit there. I liked trying it, that's for sure. No, we're doing a take profit trader account giveaway today. We gave away 5 my funded futures accounts last week. This week we're doing take profit trader account right now. Little pullback on gold. Seen some resistance at 49. Try to catch a short here. See if we can get it back into the 890s. Back into these lows. I'll stop it if we run back through 4,900. Give it like one more shot. I was just on pure dip buying mode. I just need to quit trying. Kind of looks like we're on pure dip buying mode. Like to see some volume fill this wick at 897. Then I would like to see 892s here. Might try to add into it. We could just be in pure dip buying mode though. The thing is, we keep breaking out and then getting some nice pullbacks. Like if they could just get continuation through the lows, that would be solid. It's not really running away. It's breaking the highs, deep pullback, breaking the highs, deep pullback, breaking the highs, deep pullback. It's the typical pattern you see before we get a deeper retracement. So then it makes this structure here a very easy target at 889, 892. So I'm in 2 micro short trying to get a breakdown trade. See what we can do here. I might try to add into it. We're getting some volume through 895. I'd like to see us hold 895, getting some volume. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 as we flush through 894s. I'm in 3 now. If we get volume down to 890s, I'll go break even. This is just rejecting a key level. 4,900 is an all-time high rejection. So it is a counter trend trade. I would like it to play out quick. I don't want to be holding it too long because we are fighting the trend. Give me 890s, I'll go break even. 890s might be asking too much though. I like how the structure is set up with the break of the high, then deep pullback, break the high, deep pullback. We just got to get continuation under 895 is all. It's not wanting to. Okay, little wick off 897. Market picking up a little bit of speed here. Yeah, this just might be dip buying mode, chat. This might just be dip buyers only. There might not be a chance here to short this bad boy. But gold is settled on the day, so typically you'd want to see it slow down a little bit here. There should be some short opportunities. Yeah. Not ecstatic about this trade anymore. It's just not getting the follow through I would like to see. It's holding the dips too well. This might just be a quick L, which is okay. I mean, I understand it's a counter trend trade. I understand that. We'll say the longer we hold the 895s, the less I like it. That I will say. The longer we hold structure here, the less I like it. Nice wick off 898. See if that can give us a good spot to risk against. If we can reject 898. Okay, see we're flipping this candle here. I'm gonna go risk at 898 off that pivot. I think, or maybe above it. Okay, we're gonna put our risk there. Try to manage risk, the most important thing in trading. If we're gonna flip, it should be about now. I don't see a retest of that high. Now or never gold. You keep seeing heavy sellers stepping at 898. I like that to form a lower high there. A nice pivot on the tick chart. But we got to get under 895, bro. This shit is so strong. It's actually so strong. Just does not want to give it up. Like, there's so much rejection here, but we just can't give up 895. Gold in a nutshell. NQ's back at the highs. Gold should be flipping here. Still holding 96. Yikes, this thing's strong as shit. I like the strength we're seeing on NQ right here. NQ's rallying back to the highs. It's exactly where you want to see some weakness on gold. Just not happening. It's too strong. Way too strong. Yeah, don't short gold. That was a horrible idea. Way too strong of a market. I like the idea of that, but holy crap, that fucking market is a nightmare. Don't short gold. Fuck. Kept the wrist tight. I like that idea. I mean, yeah. That thing is actually parabolic. I don't know. Actually parabolic. All right, we're down 50. We're just kind of like sitting around here. We're just kind of sitting around here with the P&L. You want to see a breakdown right there more often than not. I think in a market that's not so parabolic, that's a good trade. But unfortunately in gold, it's just dip buy only dip buys. He told me so. I know, dude. I know. He's crazy. All right. We've got some. How many trades? I can tolerate 1,000,000 trades going against me as long as I'm in a scratch for the day. Like I'm not. I'm in a very fine emotionally. I'm very fine. So it's not really a big deal right now. I'm chilling. Now, if these trades were doing damage to me, then yeah, I'd probably want to be cut my day, early. But they're not. I'm kind of just sitting around break even on the day. Damn. Most expensive microphone on the market, and I have issues with it. Buy a new one, dude. It's brand new. It's just crap. It's just crap. Mic should be good now. Is the mic good now? Good. Appreciate you. Everybody lock in, man. We got a TPT account giveaway at the end of the stream. My dumbass can't catch a damn trade in here. It's impossible. Couple good, I mean, couple winning trades, couple losing trades, but we're just at a scratch. Be right back, chat. Be right back. All you got to do to enter the giveaway, hit like, hit subscribe. We're a break-even trader at best, chat. Today is just... It's hard to get a winner in here, man. Shit. Anybody have a winning trade idea? I don't see a single winning trade idea. NQ's still moving higher, though. All dips are getting bought. I feel like all dips are getting bought kind of in every market right now. Gold's up, NQ. Even Bitcoin. Crude's breaking down, but who cares about that? Any advice for a $5 start? Wait, are you talking about opening a trading account with $5? What is CPT? It's Take Profit Trader. It's a prop firm that offers uncapped daily payouts once funded. They are a super amazing prop firm that was nice enough to give me a couple free accounts to give to y'all. Because y'all showed love to me and used my code for them, they're going to give me some accounts to give back to y'all. Full circle. Full circle. Yeah, I heard Coach Jay was talking about the Russell was just strong. Like, Russell's right here at the all-time highs. That seems like an easier market to convince yourself to go long in for sure, right? I mean, look at it on the hourly. Just right here against the all-time highs on a 3-candle pattern. Huh. Just slow. It moves a lot slower, but... Like the stream? Yeah, we need 600 likes. I know we can get 600 likes. 600 likes. Yeah, no, we're not giving away funded accounts, chat. We're giving away test accounts. I could just give away look at the gold breaking out with volume. I can just give it. Wow. I mean, damn. Damn. Gold's actually like just like imagine buying the dip at 71 and just holy crap. What a market. What a market to be trading. Imagine buying this dip at 71 and just letting this thing go parabolic vertical. Just so easy, just trail it. Okay, we held 89. We held 889. Okay, we held 894. Trail 899. It's too easy. That's crazy. That's a loco. So easy to trade. What the fuck? It's actually curling to the upside. It's going to the moon right now. NQPA sucks today. It does. It sucks most of the time. Dog water. Need to start trading gold. Just got to convince myself it's not overbought. Doesn't matter if it's overbought when you have a parabolic market. It is truly a parabolic market by definition. When a market just curls vertical like that, that's parabolic as hell. Look at this market. That's actually crazy, bro. When you look at it, that's actually insane. I mean, damn. Wow. Why does my dumbass want to try to fade? What is silver doing? Silver's at all-time highs. They're both at all-time highs. It didn't give you the best deal. What do you mean? What deal did it give you, John? What deal did it give you? Can we short gold? We probably should not short gold, I'm not gonna lie. What code did you use to get 95? Weird. Like another affiliates code or like take Tradeify's code? Hmm. All right, I'll look into that. Appreciate that. Yeah, dude, we're just sitting here around break even on the day. The Russell's at all-time highs. Is that an easier market to try to get long? Like to convince yourself to get long the Russell at all-time highs. No, we're not going to short gold. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. Here we go. 910s on gold. What time frame are you looking at on NQ? I look at the hourly, the 5-minute. I look at the 500 tick chart when I'm looking to, and we're looking at a faster market. 500 tick chart's good. Right now, I could just use the 5-minute chart. It's just a slow grind at the moment. Gold looking to break 910 here. Hi, what's up, Sif? Sif? Gold is not slowing down. There's 909. When stops to break even's killing you ASAP? Yeah, I wouldn't do it really ASAP, man. I mean, if you're catching a breakout trade, it's a tricky one. You're going to get stopped out a lot. It's just kind of the nature of it, especially if your entry is very close to that breakout level. But I'd like to go break even. You just have to understand you will probably get stopped out a lot. It's just the nature of it. If we're talking about a breakout trade, that is. Oh crap, look at that. Quick little move down. And Q's back into the highs at 718 here. Gold's trying to catch a pullback. And Q's still rallying. Gold's starting to weaken a little bit here. I say that, then we just run back to 908. I just don't see a lot. I just don't see a lot here, man. Guys, let's get 600 likes so we can do the TBT giveaway. Let's get 600 likes or close to it. Or close to it. So that we can do this TBT giveaway. And Q just does not feel like it's really at threat of having a really heavy sell-off. It's just the slowest, most controlled rally ever. Haven't seen any crazy selling attempts on it. Every dip's getting bought. It's not really seeing any great short opportunities, and then it's just, man, we're so extended to the upside that it's also hard to get long. It's just in a weird spot. Weird spot. Junior, I see you asking him, but I'll get my input on that. Yeah, if we're adding to winners, man, I'd love to go break even. I feel like you don't want to add to a winner just to increase your risk on it. Like I really, personally, if you care to know, love to go break even, especially when we're adding. But it also helps, like if we've broken through a key structural level, some type of validation behind the ad helps, right? It's super hard to add when we're just chopping around our entries. Oh my god, you gotta be fucking kidding me. There's no way. There's no way. What the fuck? I'm gonna lose my mind. Good, yeah, but I mean, every 10 minutes I have to do it. Oh boy. It's what branded is it? It's a Shure SM7DB. It's like the top of the line mic. I know it's good now, but it's like every 10 minutes. I've had to do it 3 times so far. It's really annoying. I hate it. I see gold. It's right here at 911s. I don't know why it does that, man. Or do you? I just unplug and plug it back in. The cables are all brand new. I feel like it's been happening more often though. It's the interface is a Fosserite Scarlet 2i2. It's all like the best shit. It's all brand new. Everything's brand new on it. That's the thing. Brand new cables, brand new mic, brand new interface. This mic's giving me more issues than, and it doesn't even sound that good. I'm not gonna lie. I actually prefer the other one. It's just annoying. Oh shit! Oh! Trump! Everybody be, oh my god, Trump. Is it still good now that I yell? Oh god, this market's on drugs. This market's actually like stealing people's money. It's actually, this week has just been so bad. I don't know. I hope it's fixed. I don't know. Y'all let me know quick if there's a mic issue. I'll get it fixed quick. And I apologize for the technical issues, man. What did Trump do? What did Trump do? This feels as close to gambling as it can get. Chat, test, mic test. I have another mic I can plug in. It's just, I would love to make use of the $1,000 audio setup that I have here. It's a shame. Okay, guys, on that note, anybody in here, man, positions running. Why does it say that? We're live. TikTok, we're live on YouTube. Come over there. BPCTrades. We're doing an account giveaway, 150K take profit trader account. Doing a giveaway on YouTube at the end of the stream. And I'll be out of here in under an hour because I got to go. This is crazy. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. We're doing an account giveaway in less than an hour, chat. Run the likes up. In the meantime, we'll do the duck. We'll do the damn duck race. It's a break-even day for me. After being down 600, kind of down 50, can't win them all. That's solid. That's solid. Today is just totally random. Today is just totally random. I like the idea of trying to catch a gold short, but I know it's a bad idea. NQ's super strong off that dip. Super. Look at us fade off at 911 here. I'm going to try a quick short on gold. Try a quick short at gold. I'll stop it if we go back through the highs. I like the strength on NQ. We're setting up some weak structure on gold. I'm in 3. I want to see it break back down to the 900s. I'll stop it out if we run the highs. If we just run the highs and whip back up there, this is very much just kind of crazy volatility that has no predictability behind it. So I'll just cut it and call it a day, to be honest, I think. Want to see 911, see some rejection here. I want to see NQ hold that strength. It's up there testing the high. It looks good. Looking for this to break 908, 907. All right, I'm in 5 now. Stop it out if we run the highs. Looking for a strong rejection of 912s. Probably end up putting my risk right here at 912. But I want to look to cover some as this picks up volatility. And this just can't. We can't even hold below 908 here. Gold's just holding every dip's being held up by buyers. This looks. Trying to give it a shot here. I want to see NQ hold that. Yeah, this is I don't know, man. I don't know. Just can't really catch it. Gold is just not pulling back off the highs at all. Trying to give it a shot to reject again at 913. I like the strength on NQ for gold to pull back here. Although it does not seem like they've been super correlated recently. It doesn't seem like gold cares at all when NQ is strong. NQ's breaking out, and so is gold. See, you want to see gold selling here. There's new highs. Where do I want to cut this? 916. I'm watching for a high to get rejected harder. I need to get out. We're just not. We re-break that high, I'll cut it. NQ, yeah, they're following each other a little bit. See if we can break under 914. Feels so hard to just manage the risk on this, man. This is, we're getting cooked. I'm counter trend trading. I'm getting cooked right now. Just no weakness at all. No, we can't even just kind of like range a little bit. Just breaking. See if we can hold 16.5. This candle can flip. I'll try to tighten the risk up even more. Oh my god, it's so strong. It's actually so strong. Yikes, that's an ugly open. Fuck. I'm getting cooked. Don't fade gold. All right, yeah, I'm getting cooked. My ass is getting cooked, like actually cooked. I'm calling it a day, damn it. My ass is getting cooked. That is sketchy. That doesn't even feel safe. Close it. Yeah, we close it. We close it. I said if we broke the high, we'd close it. That's what I said. I was looking for a quick scalp. Yeah, in hindsight, you guys are genius. I get it. I'll make sure to not put your name in the damn giveaway. I'm just kidding. No, it is what it is, man. Control and risk, that's about what I'm happy to risk on the day. I'm not going to push it anymore. I like the idea of that trade. I still think it probably works, but yeah. My entries need to be higher, I think, in hindsight. It is what it is. It is what it is. I mean, we're managing the risk. I said if we broke that high again, I'd get out. That's all you can do. Take that trade, manage your risk. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. How do you handle comparison? Because it doesn't matter. Nothing matters, man. Your job's to come on here and try to make money regardless of even what I'm doing. Like, it doesn't matter. Just follow what you believe in your process, and most importantly, manage the risk. That's what matters. That thing's too strong though. Yeah, I hate trading. Yeah, well, I mean, I knew we were at all-time highs. I know it's counter trend, but I still like the idea of that trade. Especially because, I mean, we don't really see, and I was only looking for a slight pullback. I'm not looking for a reversal up here. But market settle on the day. You don't typically see rallies like this at this time on gold, so I like the idea of it. We'll be live. We'll wait till like 12:30, then we'll do the giveaway. We'll do the duck race giveaway. Yeah, no, and it's hard for me. Like, I'm trying to read price action there, which I'm pretty good at reading price action, but gold's trickier to read on than NQ for me. No way. Hold on, we're good. Yeah, yeah, gold's it's wild. It's a loco. Still think that trade idea has a chance to work. Look at it go. Trying to catch a scalp here, 3 micros. Looking for a scalp under 910 here. Probably last time I'll try it. In 5, looking for the break under 910. Stop it out, obviously. If we V-shape back to the highs, I'll get out. We have a low here at 908. If we could break, that'd be awesome. We're seeing an aggressive retest of 910. Nice wick off 913. See, that's insane. gonna see if 14 gets rejected. It's just like relentless dip buying. Totally relentless. Right back up. Cover if we get back above 17. NQ's selling off aggressively. Gold's trying to follow. Looking for, obviously want to see us hold under 16s here and retest this low. But we're just not able to retest the low. Okay, getting a little quick. Need to break 913. There's 913. This could be good. Trying to hold a higher low for the moment. We'll do the giveaway after this trade, chat. We will do the giveaway after this trade. Only if this trade works. If it doesn't, nobody's getting a giveaway. Just kidding. Hey, man, I'd be happy with a couple of base hits to get back to neutral today. I can't even see green on this damn market here. Like, not even for a second. I don't think I've seen green in this market in a second. 12s, look at that wick. Got to get under 12 here, man. Got to. Ugh, yuck. Man, everything just, it's just holding. We just like literally, we test, hold, and just higher. Test, hold, higher. Repeat, rinse and repeat. Come on, 15s, we need you. Yeah, this is cooked here. Super strong. We might see 920s here if this breaks out. Looking for it to fell and kind of put in a lower high. I think you have to give it a shot. If it would break back above 16, I'll be out. Just so strong. Actually, so strong. There's 15s, 14s. Okay, now or never. Now or never. And we're back up. I mean, that's the story of my life with gold. Okay, I guess we have to cover here on the break of 17. Come on, 14. This thing's actually a cheat code. Just buy. Just kind of trying to hesitate on a breakthrough new highs. This trade can still work, but God, am I shaking? I am shaking. Trust me on that. It's a couple $100, but I'm shaking, bro. This thing is scary. I mean, scary, bro. I'm scared. I'm real scared. I'm real scared. Come on, you piece of sack of junk. I mean, you can't retest a low at all? It's just not possible, huh? I guess we can make the argument we're consolidating well under all-time highs. Not what you want to see as far as looking for a short scalp. This thing's so strong. It's so strong. Oh boy. This thing's strong as shit. Make or break right here. We got to pull back off 16s, bro. For the love of God. For the love of God. It looks so good for a second and then it's right back up. Come on, chat. Everybody spam GC in the chat. Everybody spam GC in the chat. This thing's gonna drop. Lock in. Lock in. Everybody spam GC in the chat. L in the chat if you think I'm gonna lose the trade. GC in the chat if we're gonna drop. We're gonna do something here in a second. I'll tell you that much. We're gonna do something here in a second. We are holding a lower high, but the structure is still like we have to lose support is key. Super key. And we're at support our entry. Crappy entry. Everybody spamming GCL. Okay, I respect the L's. I respect the L's. Hold on a second. Now, it starts to look good. Like, it does start to look good, but I'm sure this is just going to wick back to 917. Yeah, I thought so. No, it starts to look okay. Gold is so tricky, man. Like, this looks good so far, but I'm sure we're just going to see a wick. Yeah, turns into a wick. Then that green candle goes to heaven. Come on, 13.5. Let's go. Spam it. Run it up. Wait, it's actually working. It's actually working. We're looking for volume under 913. Break this low. Why is it working? Why is it working? What the hell? That's wild. Why is it working? Okay, now let's see. Let's see if we can break the low or if we just get wicked. Come on, gold. We believe. We believe. We believe. What am I targeting? Shit, I don't know. At this point, I just want to be green. I would like to see 905s break, but we got to get under 912 first. We got to get under 912 first, man. Come on. Let's go. I'm telling you, spamming that actually worked. That's insane. Why did that work so well? Do I want to add? Do I want to add on the break? Oh, no, yeah. Chat helped me. Chat came in clutch. Let's just get a quick retest and then dump further. Let's go into 90. Let's like go into some levels here. 907, 908. Let's get it. Dump this piece of shit. Screw all-time highs. Let's go. 910's breaking down. I don't think we'll recoup our losses, but hey, a win's a win. Come on now. We got a 910 even test. I like it. I like it. I like those even tests for retest if we come back down. Come on, baby. Let's go. Session lows. Watch. Oh boy, we just want to get green here. I don't want to be greedy, but come on now. Oh, this could flip so bad. I should not get happy. When reality sets in. This could flip in a heartbeat. I should not be getting happy. This looks good. I like the tested 910s. Let's go. Let's go 909. Let's break her. Let's go. Oh, and it's getting depressing. Hold on. Let's give it a quick retest. Let's go. Let's go. We're doing the giveaway after this, guys. Just hit the like button, hit subscribe. That's all you got to do. Hit like, hit subscribe. We're doing a Take Profit Trader 150K account giveaway. Oh, boy. This might be a mistake. We might have celebrated too soon, damn it. We might have celebrated too soon. Woohoo. Okay, 910s. We're counting on you. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go, 910. Let's go. You're killing me here. You're killing me here. A little retest is fine, but let's go lower. Okay, the chat slowed down. I blame that. I blame the chat slowing down for the reason that, when we were spamming it quick, it was selling, and now it's slow. Oh boy, this could flip in a heartbeat, couldn't it? Couldn't it? Come on, gold. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I legit am blaming it because we stopped spamming. Why do we stop spamming? Oh god. 913s, 913s. We got to get some rejection up here, 913. We need it. We need it. Oh no. This is officially just a full-on emotional wreck. We just want to see some green, damn it. Come on, 913. Reject. Just give me one break of give me a liquidity sweep. Just give me a damn liquidity sweep. Sweep some damn liquidity. Good night. Gold's relentless. I'm telling you, this is just a nightmare. I like this, though. I like that pivot off 14. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. Come on, bro. We like 2 points. Give me 2 points. Give me 910s. Give me something. Just not picking up speed to the downside like I wanted it to. I didn't want to see a break of this low and then us kind of hold. And that's exactly what we did. We broke the low and kind of held. Structure's still holding here. Oh, this feels wrong. This feels wrong, chat. Oh, the 5 minutes holding. Damn it, damn it, damn it. We believe, man. We believe. Keep your faith. Keep the faith. Oh, shit. This is not good. Trading off hopes and dreams. Well, pretty much. We got into the trade. It did not go how I thought it would. I still think it has potential, but yeah, right now at this point in time, with how strong gold is, it is hopes and prayers at this point. Hopes and prayers. Didn't want it to come to this, but this is what it is right now. Hopes and prayers. When you catch yourself on the wrong side of the trade like this, you're damn right I'm gonna pray. Come on, gold. You're damn right I'm gonna pray. Let's go, gold. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I mean, this is literally, I feel like I'm at the damn Kentucky Derby throwing money at this thing. Like, this doesn't feel like, I mean, come on. This feels like a full-fledged gamble. Let's get it. Let's get it. God, you are so annoying. Tell you what, when I trade gold, I definitely talk to gold more than I talk to anything else. Just does not want to go. We're just basing off of my entry. We just don't want to. We don't want to do it, do we? Oh, we don't want to do it. Do we want? Come on, we want to do it. Please close it and trade in Q. I honestly think in Q is not much better, dude. Though. I mean, if we can break 910, we'll be like, I'll be a happy camper. Let's get it. 911 there, a little test. Let's get it. Let's get it. I mean, literally, come on. Pull back, you piece of junk. This is annoying. This is annoying. We're basing off of 911, 912s. Come on. Any day. Any day. Come on, 911. Let's go. And it's not going to happen. This is horrendous. All right, chat. After this trade concludes, we're doing the account giveaway. Everybody lock in. Get your likes in. If you haven't liked the stream, go ahead and like it because that's what you have to do to enter the giveaway. You also have to be subscribed. So if you haven't done that while we're waiting in the meantime, go ahead and do that. And then get ready because in the next 10, 20 minutes, we're going to look to do this giveaway. Win or lose on this trade, we're going to do the giveaway. Yeah, this looks so hopeful, but at the same time, it's like, come on now. We're just in chop. Can't even get a pullback here. Talk dirty to it. Talk dirty to it. It'll work. It'll work. Talk a little bit of smack. Can we break 10? Do I want to add? Do I want to add and chop? I don't think I want to add. I don't expect to make all my profit back. I got paper cut too much today. But I would like to see a dump under this 909 level. Okay, a little bit of speed here. I suppose I could add for the break if I think we will. Looking for the break in our 909. But more or less it's holding range. You see it the next couple of minutes if it's gonna happen, I would think. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. See it hold under 913 here. It's just holding. It's just literally holding support at my entry. This is actually a nightmare. Gotta get under 910. It's getting quick, but not doing anything. 2 points. I mean, that's all we want is 2 points. 2 points, we break the low. Get some extension to the 908s, 907s, maybe low 900 test. That's all we want. That's all that we want. It just doesn't seem like it's going to happen for us, man. Yep, back to the highs. Here we go. Hold on tight. I'll look to cut this sooner than I probably would have back here because now it's kind of holding this base. It has one chance maybe to come back, but it's pretty much cooked. Just held support at 910, going higher. Look at that volume. Crazy volume. Looking to see if this high breaks out. I'll probably cut it. We either break that high or get some crazy rejection back to the entry. That's only two things that I'm looking for here. Holy shit, I'm out. I'm down 600 today. I'm done trading gold. Oh my god, that's so annoying. That market's actually screwing me so hard. I can't do it. Never short gold again, remind me. Bros Wild, yeah, I got cooked today. I ain't gonna lie. Got cooked today. All right, let's do the damn giveaway. Let's do the damn. I mean, we had a chance there, right? But hey, let's do the giveaway. Get my ass cooked. All right, how do we do this again? Let's see. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate the likes. Hopefully y'all had a better day than me. Although I think it wasn't that good of a day for anybody. My ass got cooked and roasted. Fucking hate gold. all right. Let's do the giveaway. How do we do this? Giveaway right here. All right. Let's do this. Dude, I actually hate gold. I don't think I'll ever trade it again. We'll try tomorrow? Yeah, we'll try tomorrow. All right, let's do this. Let's name it this. Ugh. I'm in a bad mood now. All right, take profit trader. At least one of y'all is going to get a free account. That's going to liven the mood up a little bit. 150K. Take profit trader 150K. Right? This is a 150K TPT account, man. Lock in. Wish me luck. Yep. Let's do it. Let's do it. Confirm. Start giveaway. Okay, everybody in the YouTube right now, exclamation mark raffle. I'm going to give it 10, 15 minutes. I'm gonna give it 10 to 15 minutes. This is a more of a loss than I would like to have taken today, to be honest. It's not detrimental, but I hate losing. All right, run the light. Run it up, chat. Run it up. Let's get let's get everybody in here. Let's get 400 entries. Wow, that's quick. And what I think I would like to do is a duck race. I don't know how to set up the duck race, but I think I can do it. I think I know how. I'll just put them in the notepad and then stuff. Run it up, y'all. Run it up. Good luck. Good luck to the winners. What we're gonna do is I think I'll take 10 names, and then I'll put them in a duck race, and we'll see. I'm not trying to copy Nutty, but I like the idea. And I think y'all think y'all have a better chance in a duck race as opposed to just a random selection. Guys, if y'all are just joining in, !! raffle in the chat. You can enter into the giveaway. I hate gold. I hate gold. Gold's going to 5,000. You can't convince me otherwise. It's going to 5,000. You cannot convince me otherwise. Right? I mean, what's annoying is like the only thing to trade. Like, trust me, I would stay far away from gold if I could, and just trade NQ. But NQ's price action is so dog shit that it's sucking you in. It's actually crazy looking back at how bad I traded today as far as trying to short gold. How easy it is to just buy the dip. Like, there's so many opportunities. What am I doing? Shorting gold. Anyways, ! raffle. Let's get it in, chat. Let's get it in. Speaking of gold, there goes 920s. $150K take profit trader account going out to one lucky winner. Lucky wiener. I might do a symbol block on gold for all I care. I might do a symbol block. I mean, apart from my Tradeify and my funded accounts, which I'm up on 5,000 across those accounts, I'm break even on my Top Step Live account. I think I made 400 day 1, 200 day 2, and now I lost 6, so I'm break even this week on my Top Step Live account. My funded and Tradeify Live account, I'm up 400 across each of them, so that's good, but not up on my Top Step Live account. Let's get 300 entries in here, chat. Let's get it. ! raffle. You have to be liked, have to be subscribed, or you're not entered. Lissa. Yeah. What are you doing, girl? Waiting for you. Do you want to see the what are we doing today? I gotta get my nails done and get stuff for pipes. Oh, I gotta be on Top Step at 2. What? You might just have to go, sweetheart. I don't want to go alone. I know, but I've got a lot of work to do before the cruise and stuff, like, because I gotta be on Top Step at 2, and then if I go with you, I'm not gonna be able to film anything before the sun goes down. I know you don't want to go alone. We have to go to Target too. Can't you just order it? Well, I have to get like makeup. What? Maybe later? Like go later? Yeah, I guess. Because I gotta be on Top Step at 2, and then I would like to film a couple things before the sun sets. Well, what time are you gonna get off? Why? Right now it's 12:40, and then I have to be on Top Step in an hour. You think we can go do something in an hour? I don't think nails. No. I could do nails in the evening. Yeah. But we also need to get stuff to wrap the pipe. What kind of stuff? Like the cushion stuff or extra towels. How many towels do we need? How many pipes is there? I don't see any pipes outside. There are pipes outside. You gotta wrap them. We have towels. Towels and tape. It's not like we're gonna use them. You want to just do that? Yeah. Okay, we'll figure it out. I'll be off in a little bit, but I gotta be on. I'm gonna end this stream here in 5 minutes, and then we'll figure out what we can do in the next hour and a half. Okay. I mean, I guess I can go do my nails with myself. Well, look, I'll get off in 5 minutes and we'll figure it out. All right. What to do, chat? We got 310 entries. Do we want to end it? Let me do this real quick. How do we do the duck race? Anybody know what the website is called for the duck race? I got torched today, man. I'm in a bad mood. Just totally torched. Fuck gold. That's just the cleanest breakout of all time. No hesitation, nothing to short against. Just horrible. Horrible. Bad trader. L trader. All right, where were we? Let's get some entries in here. We'll close it off in a little bit. Does anybody know the website? Started off well, then you went on tilt. I don't think I even went on tilt. It's just yeah. Gold moves. I guess I didn't want to lose that much. I mean, gold just I wouldn't say I was on tilt, but maybe close to the edge of it. But yeah, P&L on gold can get kind of crazy. I think that's the only thing that's a little upsetting. All right. Does anybody know the duck website? What do I type in? Duck game? Duck game? Duck game? No, that's not what it's called. Duck game giveaway. Duck race game. That's got to be it. Hey, sweetie. I'm gonna put everybody. I'm gonna select 10 people, then put them all in a duck race, like a simulated race. They have no control over who wins or whatever, but at least that way, like 10 people are racing for it. That makes you can come watch if you want. All right, chat. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna okay. I'm closing the raffle. How do we? We're gonna close the raffle. Where is it? All right, closing entries. Good luck to. I'm gonna. Wow, there's still people entering. Guys, I'm gonna close it. Go ahead and hit exclamation mark raffle. Closing it now. Good. All right. There's still people entering. All right, guys. Yeah. Exclamation mark. All right, here we go. Close entries. Okay. Now we can refresh this, I believe. How do we like end it? We did this last time. Okay. How do we? I do this every day and somehow I forget how to do it. Okay, I can pick winners now. All right, good luck. I'm gonna pick 10 winners, and then 10 people are gonna go in the duck race. Okay, guys. Nico Correra is gonna go into the duck race. Let me put that there. All right. Please. Pick Vaughn Trades. Good luck, Vaughn Trades. Viciana Bosla. Good luck. We're gonna do 10 people. For Shalon. Is this better? Guys, the raffle is way over. You can stop doing it. JKX. Good luck to JKX. We've got 5. We need 5 more. Chasey in coin. Anybody seeing your names in there? 10 winners. No, there's 10 people going to a duck race. Does anybody see their name in there yet? Vic Man. 1, 2, 3. We have 6. We need 4 more, which is a lot. Gibran Trades. Mabu. Good luck, Mabu, in your duck race. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 2 more winners. Cross your fingers. Who's it gonna be? Matt Wallace. Matt Wallace is entered into the duck race. Put on your patches, or what are they? Wait, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's 10. All right, guys. Wish good luck to everybody entered in. Let's get it, man. Let's see. Boom. I think this is how this goes. Everybody's entered. We have 10 contestants in the duck race. Okay. Let's go full screen on this bad boy. Good luck to the winner, man. Let's get it. Okay, how do we do this? All right. Got 10 people in there. How long should it be? Like 2 minutes, 1 minute?
That one's cute.
How long should it be?
Oh, you're asking me.
Yeah.
2 minutes?
Let's do a 2-minute duck race. On your marks, get set, go!
Wait, this is fun.
Okay, now we have to commentate. You want to commentate?
No,
We got Matt Wallace. Matt Wallace pulling away in an early lead. From what I've seen in the duck races, the leader in the beginning doesn't typically win. So that's unfortunate, Matt Wallace. I'm just kidding. Got Mabu trailing in a close second. We see Vaughn Trades and Nico at the top. Got Vic Man looking to take a breakaway towards the end of the race there. 30 seconds into the race. JKX is trying to pull ahead. Gibran, late starter, but definitely picking up some speed towards the end. Vaughn Trades pulls away to the first place and comes to a screeching halt. The acceleration is slowed. Got JK moving up. Gibran Trades, last but not least, is moving to the head of the pack. The Bolsa back there is not far off. Forchalon slowing down. Nico slowing down. Vic is slowing down into the last place. We got a minute left in this race. Matt Wallace trying to hold the original lead. Mabu, who we think's going to win? Vic Man pulling back. We've got an equal line here. We've got an equal line. Who's going to be the breakaway duck? Mabu pulling into first place. Vic Man trying to make a break. You got Vaughn Trades, Bolsa, Shalon back there. Who's it going to be? Matt Wallace can't keep the pace that he set in the beginning of the race. Mabu has been a strong first and second place duck so far in this race. For Shalon over there. Nico on the bottom of the screen looking to take a breakaway. We've got 30 seconds coming to the finish line. We've got some ducks in the back. Bolsa and Nicoin moving up the pack. Vaughn, look at the breakaway on Vaughn. We're breaking away. 15 seconds. Vic Man trying to make a break for it. Chasey getting left in the back. Bolsa left in the back. JK. Who's this at the top of the screen? Coming up on Gibran and Vic. We've got Coin. Wallace. Matt Wallace, our original leader. Chasey Nicoin's going to take it. First place. Chasey Nicoin. That's fun. Yo.
That is fun.
Good job, Chasey Nicoin. Congratulations. Do me a favor, Chasey Nicoin. Where are we at? Let me know if you're in the chat. Let me know if you're in the chat. Say something in the chat. If he's not in the chat, yo, good job, guys. I think that was fun. We'll start doing that some more. Send something through the chat. Let me know you're here. It's like he's not here. It's like he entered a long time ago and he's not here. If he's not here, we're gonna rerun the duck race and choose a different contestant. Chasing a coin, we're gonna give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes to let us know if you're here. Let us know if you're here, chasing a coin. He might not be here. Y'all might have another shot. We're gonna give it till 12:51. Because usually he's pretty quick, man. Usually they're pretty quick to... He might not be here. He might have entered the giveaway a long time ago.
What if you miss his call?
Should I go with the second winner or just rerun the race with somebody else? I feel like we want a winner, a clear winner. He left. He's not going to get the free account. That's insane. I'm going to give it a minute and a half. What'd you say?
I said, what if he commented and you missed it?
No, it'll show up right here. He didn't comment.
Oh.
We're going to add another winner if he didn't show up at 12:51. Right now it's 12:49. I don't think he's here, chat.
Wow.
He's got 1 minute, bro. This has never happened. Biggest fumble? That is a kind of a fumble, low-key. Maybe I should have confirmed that everybody was here. Everybody except him is here. Literally everybody except him. Poor Shalon might not be here, though. Okay. New 10? Oh, I don't know about new 10, guys. What do you think? Is that fair?
What is that?
Okay, so we have 10 people that I originally selected. Should I just kick out Nicoin and add another contestant and then run with that same group of people, or should I do a whole new 10? What do you think's fair? I feel like I should keep the original 9 ducks. Everybody's
you
gonna
should
say new 10,
because-
obviously, but I think I should keep the original 9 ducks.
I think so because they were
Yeah,
initially
guys.
picked.
We're gonna do that. We're gonna, but one of y'all is gonna have another shot. All right, Nick Coins, you weren't here, bro. That's kind of crazy. All right, we're gonna pick one more winner.
What about the other ones? Are you sure
Yeah, they're
that
here.
they're here?
Yeah, they're here. I saw them comment.
Okay.
That's kind of wild. He fumbled. All right, we're running another duck race, guys. I know y'all wanted a new 10, but I genuinely feel like I feel like, how do I get out of this? I feel like the right thing to do is leave the original 9 because they had the fair shot to begin with, and just put somebody else in there. If I didn't think it was right, I wouldn't do it. All right, who's our new contestant in here? I think it's JVO. All right, good luck, guys. We're gonna try this again, man. Be here to claim the account this time. Start it. Let's go. We've got Matt Wallace gonna try to set an early lead for Shalon. Is pulling away. I think he was trailing the pack now, but it's suddenly in this race he's much quicker. Vic Man, Inbu, Gibran, Correa, for Shalon pulling an early lead. Can he sustain the pace that he's set? Only a minute and a half left to go here. Bolsa, Gibran trying to set the lead. Jay Vey, our new contestant. Our contestant is filled in for our absentee duck. Jay Vey pulling through the middle of the pack, trying to set himself up for maybe a late leg into the finish. Got Vaughn Trades pulling through. JKX trailing in the back. Vic Man trailing in the back. Matt Wallace, top of your screen, still trying to hold steady. Gibran, Nico, Correa pulling at the top of your screen, pulling through into the first place position. Got JKX, middle of the pack. Everybody kind of middle of the pack right now. Gonna see who our breakaway ducks are. Bolsa right here. Vaughn, neck and neck. Correa, neck and neck. JK trying to take a little bit of a lead here. 45 seconds to go. Can he keep that pace? Matt Wallace is fading. Imbu, Vic Man. Vic Man seems to be content at the back of the pack. Our new contestant Jay Vey is right there in second place. I feel like he's going to try to make a little bit of a run towards the finish. We got 25 seconds coming down to the wire. Matt Wallace, Vaughn, Shalon, Vic Man, Mibu. Hold on, we got Vaughn. Vaughn's got legs here in the last 15 seconds. Breaking away. Gibran trying to break away. JK is fading. Got a couple trailers. Bolsa, Mibu. Matt Wallace putting on the heaters. Matt Wallace pulling through. Hold on. Bolsa and Mibu. Bolsa's the winner. Congratulations, Bolsa, man. Good job. That wasn't our new guy, was it?
No.
No? Okay, man. Good job, Bolsa. Let's find Bolsa in the chat. Bro deserves it. Look how much he spammed. All right. Bolsa, you're surely still here. Let me know. Fast, go fast. Look at this. Yeah, everybody say congrats to Bolsa. We have more account giveaways coming up. Do another one tomorrow, okay? Everybody say congrats. Be good sportsmen. Let me know. Yeah, he's in here. Okay. Do you have Discord or Instagram, Bolsa? If you have Discord, Instagram, let me know. My Instagram is BPCTrading. Send me a DM of a screenshot of your YouTube username that you're signed in, and, you know, send me a screenshot of your YouTube username. Not just like, you know what I mean. Don't try to, you know, send like a real screenshot that you're signed in, all that good stuff. I haven't had any issues with people trying to do that, but I would catch y'all if you did. So, okay, you got that. Either hit me up on the Discord or BPC Trading on Instagram. I just want to confirm that you kind of understand the instructions there. Let me know. And then DM me a screenshot of your YouTube. Gold's breaking higher now. Okay, I'm under the impression that he understands the instruction. Let me take a picture of his name. Okay, Discord or Instagram. Yeah, Discord or Instagram. Doesn't matter. I'm Brazilian. Okay, hold on a second. Let me get my Discord up. Let me send the link to the Discord. How do we do this? Hold on. Dude, Discord's actually so... How do you invite somebody? I feel like I've done this before. Is it this link?
Invite a friend, probably.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Okay.
that way they have the link.
Okay. I'll get off here in a second. Let me just finish this.
You're good.
Okay, let me know if that link works to the Discord. Errands to run?
What?
Yeah, yeah, we have a busy weekend. Does that work? I want to make sure that works. If not, I don't know. He said he's from Brazil. I don't know if they have Instagram.
They don't?
I don't know. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Comment on YouTube. I'll see your comment. Comment somewhere on social media. I'll see your thing. But we'll hit it up and we'll give him. Can you even get a TBT account in Brazil? Can you trade TBT in Brazil? I don't know. 1 minute. I'm Discord. Okay, we'll figure it out, man. Hit me up in a DM and I'm gonna set it up for you. I took a screenshot of your name. Congratulations to the winner, guys. You got more shots to win tomorrow. We'll do another giveaway tomorrow. Maybe we'll come live tonight. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right. I will see y'all.